Another impressive company is a startup based in Silicon Valley called Humu. It's founded by a number of psychological researchers and scientists who used to work at the Google Human Resources Department, the People Department. They call themselves a group of people scientists who are developing a chatbot software to give counseling to employees of a company. Called This is a program called an employee assistant program, and it's used to make sure employees have enough resources and information to manage not only their employee life cycle inside the company, but also to make sure that they are taken care of in terms of their mental well-being. The success of Humo in terms of their user satisfaction shows that chatbots could be way more effective than what originally we have thought, which is just in the area of sales and marketing, and can actually give services make services available much more cheaply and make them more broadly available and accessible to the customer base.